The girl is dancing. A woman is reading a book. The child is smiling. The woman is drinking coffee. A man is running in the park. The girl is listening to music. The boy is riding a bicycle. A man is driving a car. A woman is cooking dinner. The baby is sleeping. A man is talking on the phone. The woman is working on a laptop. The girl is drawing a picture. The man is waiting for the bus. A woman is shopping in a store. The girl is opening the window. The man is sitting on a bench. A small bedroom. A bright living room. A wooden table. A comfortable sofa. A clean bathroom. A warm fireplace. A big window. A white door. A soft bed. A small lamp on the table. A cup of tea on the desk. A clock on the wall. A book on the shelf. It is raining. The sun is shining. Winter outside. The sky is blue. Dark clouds in the sky. A sunny beach. Palm trees on the beach. The ocean is calm. A green forest. A quiet lake. The leaves are falling. A cold morning. A blue car on the road. The bus is coming. A taxi is waiting. The car stops at the light. A ship in the sea. A bicycle on the street. The plane is flying. A train is arriving. Friends are talking in a cafe. A woman is paying the bill. Steam is rising from the cup. A barista is making coffee. A man is ordering food. A plate of pasta. A bowl of soup. Fresh bread. A sandwich on the table. A glass of water. A man is eating lunch. A woman eats an apple. A slice of cake. A hot latte. A cup of coffee. A park in the city. A woman is entering a shop. A man is crossing the road. Cars are moving slowly. A traffic light is red. A quiet street. A small cafe. A girl is brushing her hair. A man is waking up. The alarm clock is ringing. A woman is opening the curtains. A child is laughing. A man is tying his shoes. A man is typing on a keyboard. A woman is answering emails. A boss is speaking. A meeting in the office. Employees are listening. A laptop on the desk. A phone is ringing. The woman looks happy. The man looks tired. The girl is excited. A man is angry. A girl is smiling. A man is thinking. A woman is worried. A woman is buying a ticket. A plane at the airport. People are waiting at the gate. A passport on the table. A train station. A bus stop. A taxi in front of the hotel. A map in the hand. Tourists are taking photos. A student is studying. A man is working in the office. A tall building. A woman is cleaning the house. A boy is doing homework. A quiet night. A white house. A blue sky. City lights at night. A man is walking at night. The moon in the sky. A sunset over the ocean. Streetlights are on. A calm evening. A man is jogging. The stars are shining. A bright afternoon. A girl is playing tennis. A woman is doing yoga. A cyclist on the road. People are running in the park. A man is lifting weights. A football match. A basketball game. A red apple. A green tree. A yellow flower. A black cat. A small dog. A long road. A wooden chair.